These are downlights or can lights. And when we think about them, usually we just see this side. And this is what they look like. In this video, you'll get to see what it looks like on the other side of the ceiling and just how big that little light really is. Enjoy the video. This is a downlight fixture. You can see how big it is. Here's the actual light itself. Yeah. Okay. How are you this morning? There you go.
Thank you.
Have a good morning. I had already marked where the bracket goes. Now I just have to tighten it down. Slide this pre-cut rod in, and then it'll be at the height. There's really there's no support here, so I'm going to get a little piece of metal and put it over there so I have something to screw into. Maybe a strut strap will be big enough. Haha, I broke the tip of my bit off right into the screw. I dog it. Feels like a Monday. Putting the strut strap, I'm going to extend this piece of framing, and then I'm going to attach the strap to it. Got this in place. I just used a stretch strap to extend it. So let me show you. There. And I'll just bolt it in place.
Did it fit? Yeah.
Yes. It did fit. Looks fantastic. And they got to be right where they needed to be. Just going to double check, make sure it is center. And then I'm going to zip tie the rod down so it doesn't slide. Alright. Zip tie the rod. I've already zip tied the other side. It's already connected with the MC. There we go. All right. What we got? Excellent. If you twist these off instead of cutting them, you have less chance of cutting yourself. This is an access hatch, so I want to make sure it's not sharp as people come up. Nice and secure. And okay, fixture is installed. Excellent. Nice and sturdy.
Camera. Stop recording.